Hey road trippers, it's Jason and Allison coming to you from Davis.
You might want to start over. I was shaking my head.
Hey road trippers, it's Jason and Allison coming to you from Davis Mountains State Park.
And we're going to show you about it. No.
Hey road trippers, it's Jason and Allison, and we're coming to you from Davis Mountains State Park. And we're just going to show you a little bit about our experience here.
This park is known for its stargazing, and the night sky here is absolutely amazing. Davis Mountain State Park is a dark sky park, and so we were able to take several shots of the Milky Way. We used some binoculars to look at several constellations, which the kids enjoyed. And one night we were even able to capture the comet just after sunset.
Now, how about some nice shoe cake? It's shoe flavored. It's shoe flavored. Shoe cake. Well, I'll have $90256955256 a pound.
And so if you're into astronomy, highly recommend coming here for that.
It's also a great park for bird watching. You might be able to hear, I'm not sure if the mic's picking it up, but there are birds everywhere, huge variety of birds in the park. We actually went down and watched some of the birds at the interpretive center, I guess you'd call it.
They have a couple places where they have bird feeders out that attract several variety of birds. We saw some hummingbirds and a whole list of names that I didn't even know existed.
Yeah, we'll put them somewhere in the video.
And so we used a pair of binoculars to observe them for a while. That's something that the kids seem to enjoy as well. I looked at the cardinal.
Hey guys, hummingbirds, come look.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Just wait patiently, it'll come back. And then use the focus button if you can't focus.
So outside the park, there's also Fort Davis Historic, no, what's it called? Fort Davis?
National Historic Site? I don't know.
Yeah, let's just try that. So outside the park, there's also Fort Davis National Historic Site. We have another video, again, somewhere linked, that you might want to check out. Pretty cool place. You also might want to try to head on over to, there's a little art building. It's Prada store out in the middle of nowhere. It's a bit of a drive, probably about 40 minutes from here. Pretty cool though. Thanks for coming along with us, road trippers. We appreciate it. We'll see you in the next video.